Hi and welcome to my next Pokemon unboxing. Today is the release day, staggered release day of the Ascended Heroes. I managed to get 4 of these blister packs. I am looking for, this set has so many great full art. So the main ones are Pikachu, Mimikyu, Dragonite, Gengar. We are looking for those, and of course today we have our little Dragonite mascot to come with us on this little journey. I always find these things absolutely impossible to open. Guarantee this is going to rip and it's just going to be the white packet. So let's try a little bit different, shall we? Carefully. Whoa. Okay, so this, the Tangela one, only came with 2 packs, whereas the Ghastly one has 3. A little bit confused there, but yes. So we have our first 2 packs. Let's see how we get on. The Mimikyu, so cute. And then the energy. These are cute though, look at that. I love that design on the front, the energy in the Pokeball. That's super cool. Oh, that's cute. It's got a little heart on it. The love ball. So far, nothing, but I'm loving the Pokeball design. The love ball on that one. That is super cute. I love that. No Dragonite yet. No little Dragonite. Let's try. So here we have the Ghastly box, sticker box, which is very nice. Again. Oh, managed to rip it that time. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then we have this cute Gengar Ghastly sticker. And the promo, not promo card, Ghastly. Okay. Let's see how we get on. Ooh, nice. That's actually really, really pretty. That's very, very pretty. Next one. That is cute. Look at that. That's very, very cute. So for that one, we do have a third pack. See how we get on. We've done quite well actually. Nice, nice. We did good. We did good. Onto the third box. This one is also a Ghastly with Gengar. So look at that. Look at the eyes. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is lush. Really good, really good. That was a good one. Last one. Let's not throw them on the floor. last pack. Dragonites. Pikachu. It's Pikachu. Ooh, nice. That is quite pretty. Look at the colours in that. That is nice. That's really, really lovely. So, we didn't do too shabby. Did okay. We did okay. So, this one was obviously my favourite out of the lot. That's beautiful. But yeah, that was really good. So we did all right. We didn't get the ones we wanted, but I got some decent pulls. So yeah, so that's Ascended Heroes. That's what I managed to get my hands on, so I'm very grateful and feel very lucky that I managed to do that. So hopefully I managed to order the ETBs. I can't quite off the top of my head remember when they're going to be delivered. I ordered them from the Pokemon Center. Managed to get some. So that's really, really awesome. So hopefully they'll won't be too far behind and we can rip some more packs. Not sure when we're going to be able to get any more of these ones because I know they're quite high demand due to the Gengar. When I was in the queue buying the cards, everyone who I spoke to said that they wanted the Gengar. I just want the Dragonite. But we'll see. We'll see if we have better luck with this set than I did with the other one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.